Yes, my people, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. We're an experienced and certified detective is about to educate you with facts, not hyperbole for the government or its minions. Yes, today is July 16th, and the time now is 6 p.m. my time. It's not everything is doom and gloom, you understand? And we still have some good people out here, good Jamaicans, you understand what I'm saying? And we have seen where this man, Richard Campbell, you understand, he has done an exemplary and outstanding job for Jamaica and a whole. Because if this man hadn't done what he has done, it could be a different situation. And as a former member of the Jamaica Constable Force, I am calling a major anthem and to do the right thing and give this man a reward. You understand? If you don't want to do it publicly, you can do it publicly to show that we appreciate honest and decent Jamaican people. Because this man is from one of the the beast, he's from the beast, the belly of the beast, Greenwich, they call it Greenwich Town. I used to work at Huntsville. So you have to show that you respect and appreciate people like this man, Richard Campbell. You understand? Reading the story, I'm like, I haven't seen anyone do a follow up on it apart from the Star. And they didn't even put it in the Gleaner, the Star. And the Star is really, it's entertainment. It's not news. And this should be news. This should be the first page of the Gleaner or the Observer to show the Jamaican people that we still have good people out there. You understand? So, yeah man, big up to Mr. Richard Campbell. You understand? The man who recovered an M16 rifle and a 9mm handgun assigned to a policeman from the scene of a nasty accident in downtown Kingston on Friday night. You understand? And said he is not expecting any reward for its patriotic act. And the reason why I'm calling on the commissioner to reward this man, you understand, Richard Campbell, because this man, as a man who's from the ghetto, an impoverished community of Greenwich Town, and for him to see himself as a patriot, I applaud him. Because I am from Jonestown, and I used to see myself as a patriot as this man. But I don't see myself as a patriot no more, because I understand that this, not only I understand, I haven't been in the system, spent a third of my life in it, and it's a corrupt system. They just want patriotism from the poor people. But the rich people have no patriotism. They're all about money and how to scrape and how to rob and thief from the government. You understand? And look down on the poor people. Man like Richard Campbell. You understand? This man that was done an exemplary job. You understand? The 30-year-old Mr. Richard Campbell of Greenwich Farm, Kingston 30, has done a wonderful job. And I'm calling him Mr. Adam Stewart, who's from Sandals. His father went to the same school that I went to St. Mary's College. I'm calling on you, Mr. Adam Stewart from Standard, to do something for this Jamaican hero. Reward him, man. Give him something. You understand? Sometimes poor people like Mr. Richard Campbell, he has all of the good attributes. Sometimes people like him just need help to come out of the garrison. And you can see this is a man who is trustworthy, who you can change. You can help change him in some way. You understand? Get him so that he can leave out of Greenwich Town or something. Reward him with something, man. Give him something. Help him. And it's, you understand what I'm saying? Because what this man has done is more than heroic. And most Jamaicans would not do what he has done. I can tell you that. Because he could have took both guns and sell them easily make even a $300,000 or $500,000 with it. You understand? But this man is a decent Jamaican who's from the slum, who's from the belly of the beast, Greenwich Town. You understand? When you're talking about suffering, you understand what I'm saying? You ever been into one of these houses where these people live? When you walk with man in the morning, man, they eat here. You understand? You wonder how people live in those conditions and survive. So you have to applaud them and give them, and give this man the respect that he deserves. The 31-year-old who handed the weapons over to the police said that his decision to retrieve the guns and hide them away until law enforcement officers appeared was motivated by national interest. Oh my God, look, this is a poor man who see what is happening in Jamaica and he wants to be a change. He wants to be one of the change agent in Jamaica. So what he did, he listen what the man said, because it's national interest, because he read the news and listen to the news and hear the carnage that is going on when it comes down to gun crime. And he does not want to know that he's contributing to it. So that's why he did the right thing. So that's why I'm appealing to you, Mr. Adam Stewart, and the Commissioner of Police to do something for this man. You understand? You know, if this man have done what most Jamaicans would have done, and did not hand over the guns to the police and sell it or something, and you understand? That's over 50 lives you have saved right there with those. With the M16 bullets and 9mm pistol bullets, and plus 2 guns. You understand? So this is what he says. Me never do it if you expect anything. Richard Campbell told the Weekend Star, even as he surmised that persons may have sold the weapons to players in the criminal underworld. Could have turned away and sell it, but me give them back the guns, and there, somewhere, I do the good. The young carpenter said that he would welcome any assistance that could help him further his professional advancement. If something comes, I will willingly accept it. Anything we have to do with woodwork, even some board or tools, that would be the best reward you could ever give me. Because if you give me cash tomorrow, it's done, Campbell said. Meanwhile, Campbell said that he is yet to be contacted by members of the hierarchy of the Jamaica Constabulary Force about his role in helping the injured cop and securing the weapons, which could quickly have fallen into the hands of criminals. The police have been tight-lipped about the crash, which saw the cop, who was returning to base, being knocked off his motorcycle. He sustained injuries to his neck, legs and arms and head. Campbell witnessed the accidents, which took place sometime after 11 p.m. He said he was sitting on a stool about 50 meters away when a car slammed into the policeman's motorcycle. When we reached down there, the way the place blood up and the police, it come in like a shot the police officer get, you know, by mash up and everything. Campbell told the Weekend Star. When him tried come up on in 2 feet, some me realized said them broke up, you know, because me couldn't get him to stand. A couple more people did up on the scene, you know, but here we are going. Some man never want to put the blood up man in a them car, and at the same taxi man where the policeman would take set fan, you know, him put him in the car and bring him to hospital. Campbell said. The former Selassie high school student said, said immediately check to see if the policeman had a pulse. So you know, boy, this is some good Jamaican, you know. Check if the policeman alright, but check him pulse. You understand? Then right before a crowd emerged, he quietly removed the weapons from the scene and stored them until other alarming appeared. Little after me secure the gun, my brother drive up in one unmarked car and say him a police and ask see the gun. I tell him say, we couldn't give him the gun without him show me an ID. Burst the police dark up. I go in him back in him car and find the ID. And so me give him one of the guns, said Campbell. He said the rifle was handed over to a police unit minutes later. Every day my father and mother instill strong values. Not because I come from Greenwich farm, which is Greenwich town, Kingston 13. It means that through me find 2 guns, me I go do something bad with it. And I mean that. I decide to give it up and continue my journey because I'm right here. So me come and I earn an honest bread every day. Campbell remarked it. Campbell's father, Richard Campbell Sr., also a carpenter, said he was very proud of what his son did. Enough man wouldn't do what him just did. So it made me feel very proud. We tell him that straight. We have another son who's a soldier and a daughter who works at custom. But always see them parents do good. So them expect to do the same, the 55-year-old said. So you can see, good people are from the ghetto, I am from the ghetto too. You understand? And it all have to do with your upbringing of your parents, you know. And I am called and Mr. Richard Campbell, I applaud him. And I used to work at Huntsby police station. You understand? Back in the 90s, up to the early 2000s. And, he used to, Greenwich, nice, you have good people from Greenwich. It's not everybody who's from the ghetto are bad people. You have good, very good people from there. And you can see that Mr. Richard Campbell and Richard Campbell Senior are good people. And you know, I'm going to put something inside of my YouTube channel for Mr. Campbell to contact me because I will try, Mr. Campbell. I'll use my connection to let you get some woodwork thing to do your woodwork stuff down at Greenwich shop. So I'm gonna put my Instagram thing in my feed so that you can contact me and then I'll do the necessary and you understand, you'll get my number and talk to me and then I'll get um, the necessary tool that you need to do your woodwork thing, man. And I applaud him, man, because I am police too, pro police. And I appreciate what you have done, man. A good job. Because you are a patriotic Jamaican. I cannot say the same because if I was patriotic, I wouldn't leave. I could not stay anymore because it's a criminal's paradise. I was right there working and seeing everything that was going on, and I could not stay. I had to leave for the betterment of myself and my family. So, Mr. Richard Campbell, blessed love, man. Just, I'm gonna put my link, my Instagram link, and you contact me. And yeah, I would know if so nobody can call me and con me and anything there, you understand? So, Mr. Richard Campbell, blessed love, man, and thanks. All the best here. If you haven't subscribed to the Jamaica Young Police channel, this is the time to subscribe. You understand? Subscribe and share the video. And most of all, it doesn't cost a cent, a penny or a pound or a dime to subscribe. It's free. You understand? Remember to like and share the video. And most of all, comment below. One love and all the best here. And Mr. Richard Campbell, respect again, man, and thanks for what you have done for the Jamaican people. And I want one love.